Hi guys, just a very short video about an error that I have found. Before we go to the error, I want to clarify 2 or 3 things. If you have another error, I don't care. This video is about this error. Actually, I'm going to turn off the comments because I cannot fix the other errors. You cannot just come to my channel and say, I have the error 25, 36, 35, and you should expect me to know what error is this. This is the reason that in all the error videos, I have just closed the comments because it was becoming a crazy situation where everybody wanted me to actually know an error just by the number, okay? I'm not that good. The reason that I'm putting up these videos is because I was looking for it on YouTube. I haven't found anything, so if someone is looking at it like this, just put the hashtag number and stuff, and maybe someone can find it and find an easy solution for that. I was creating some dynamic creative videos and I was taking this error. I don't know why, I didn't realize it a lot, but I have found that one way to overcome it, it was by just pressing this button, as you can see in the video, which was actually solving the problem, and then I was actually able to publish the video. So that's all guys, be creative, be consistent, bye.